Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel CarTopNews, your one-stop destination for automotive and exclusive updates. Hyundai enhances its CNG vehicles with a new dual-cylinder technology trademark. Current models like Exter, Aura, and Grand i10 Neos feature Hyundai Exter X CNG prices. The Hyundai Exter SX CNG is priced at Rs 9.16 lakh, ex-showroom, New Delhi. Hyundai Exter SX CNG mileage. It boasts a certified mileage of 27.1 kilometers per kilogram. Hyundai Exter SX CNG colors available in 9 stunning colors: Fiery Red, Khaki Dual Tone, Starry Night, Cosmic Dual Tone, Atlas White, Ranger Khaki, Titan Gray, Cosmic Blue, and Atlas White Dual Tone. Hyundai Exter SX CNG engine and transmission. Powered by a 1,197cc engine paired with a manual transmission, it delivers 67.72 brake horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 95.2 Newton-meters at 4,000 RPM of torque. Hyundai Exter X CNG versus competitors. In the same price range, consider the Tata Punch Accomplished CNG, priced at 8.95 lakh rupees, the Maruti Frunks Delta CNG at 9.32 lakh rupees, and the Hyundai Venue S at 9.11 lakh rupees. Exter SX CNG specs and features. This 5-seater CNG car includes a multifunction steering wheel, power-adjustable exterior rear-view mirror, touchscreen, automatic climate control, anti-lock braking system, power windows both front and rear, and wheel covers. Thank you for watching CarTop News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.